Hey, what's up? 9:30 in the morning, driving to work in this damn blizzard outside. But on a brighter note, nuclear spring, April 12th. Ain't gonna be no blizzard, just some nuclear showers. April 12th at the Roxy, bringing out Frenic from San Diego, California, the certified bass technician. Also myself, Kid Everlast, Dream, Dexter, Social Legacy, Face Puddle, Nicotine, Real Wild Party, brought to you by OHY Entertainment. So you guys need to get your tickets. $15 pre-sales are on sale now. Ticket prices or ticket sales end on March 8th, and jump up to the $20 general admission tickets. So make sure you get yours now, and be ready to rock out with Denver. It's gonna be a real crazy show. So I hope to see you all there. One love, baby. I'm out.